you fingerpickers, we've got a great Gordon Lightfoot song. Early Morning Rain is a song he put on his first album. And he did more declamatory than I'm doing it here. You saw me picking on the video right before this. And I based it more on, I had the Ian Sylvia album with it on it. And it's more of a softer, sensitive kind of style than the way Gordon did it. So I kind of based it on that. And it had this part in it. And I will post a tab of this at the end of this video. So hang in. But you'll see it on the tab. And it's kind of different than I hammer the third string. And then I hammer with the pinky, the 4th fret, 3rd string. You get this sound, but you're picking other strings. It takes a little practice to get it right because it's a hammer. You don't want to hammer too soon or too late, right? So listen closely. You can slow my video down. You'll be on YouTube, right? So just slow it down to half or quarter speed, and you'll hear those hammers coming in at the same time as my other picking notes. All right, so chords are, so you're C, then you're gonna pull off the 1st string, 1st fret to open. Right away you're gonna move up to it, E minor, but it's an E minor with a D minor shape at the 3rd fret. Slide it down to a D minor, F. Right, so C, E minor, D minor, F, C. Then we go, the melody goes da 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 da. So 6th string, 3rd. Now we got 2 notes, 5th string open and then the 4th string open. So I'm actually changing my fingering from the C. I'm actually, even though I'm not playing a D minor, I'm going to change to just to stop any other strings ringing. I'm only hitting those two strings, but I've got a D minor shape, this D minor shape. And back to C. Back to D minor again. G, C, this is tricky. I'm still on D minor, but I'm getting an open 2nd string. I'm still D minor, 3rd string. So it's a kind of a anticipated move to a G. Quick G. Back like the beginning. Right. That's the trickiest part, that little move from D minor. You'll see this on the tab. When you learn these, they're almost like there's some syncopation here. Syncopation means you're getting melody notes where you don't quite expect them, probably a little earlier, half a beat earlier. And so when you're playing that D minor to a G, instead of instead of that, we're going, see, we're hitting that second string open early. It's called anticipation, I think. It's some people call it push rhythm. Push rhythm, yeah. All right. Very last line, we're going from that F like we have before. Push rhythm again. F, open first, still kind of F-y. These two Fs, F placements. Now, an early C, sort of an anticipated C. You'll see that in the tab. You hit that C, first string, or first fret, second string, half a beat early. That's it. Syncopation, anticipation, or push rhythm. I think Rick Ruskin called it push rhythm, or somebody else. So that's Early Morning Rain. Take it slow. Get every note nice and clean. Clean playing, slow is better than fast playing, sloppy. Got it? Have fun.
Oh, yeah.